everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to activate first Premier credit card account. So watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your first Premier credit card, first open up a web browser. Now, in order to log into your first Premier credit card, you'll need an online account access. So type in mypremiercreditcard.com and press enter on your keyboard, and you'll end up in this page. Click the login button at the top right hand corner. If you already have an account, you can enter your information in the text boxes, that is your username and your password. But if you don't have an account, you'll need to first enroll. Click the enroll link at the top right, enter your social security number, and on the next page, enter your account number. Simply follow the on-screen prompts in order to register for First Premier Bank credit card online. Once you have an account, you can enter your username, followed by your password at the top of the screen. In case you don't remember your credentials, click the forgot username/password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for them first. Once you type in your information, click the sign in button. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be asked for further information, and once you go through all of that, you'll be able to activate your first Premier credit card. That was how you can easily activate your first Premier credit card online, but you can also do this by making a call. Support desk of First Premier by calling on this number over here, and you'll be required to provide specific information in order to activate your credit card by making a phone call. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.